The nation's defense ministry rejected what it's saying are distorted claims by Russia regarding Tuesday's intrusion into Korea's airspace. Russia's stance on the matter appears to have shifted in the span of a day. Kim Ji-yeon has our top story.
Seoul's defense ministry said Wednesday Russia had claimed its military aircraft did not intrude into South Korea's airspace, but that it was actually South Korea's Air Force and its pilots that impeded the Russian plane's flight course with, quote, threatening and unprofessional gestures. This was relayed from the military attache office of the Embassy of Republic of Korea in Russia. In response, the ministry said Russia has distorted the facts and has deviated from the view expressed Tuesday by a military officer summoned from Russia's embassy in Seoul. The ministry said it has clear evidence to prove that a pair of Tu-95 bombers did trespass into Korea's Air Defense Identification Zone, or KADIS, and that a Russian A-50 aircraft intruded into the EC twice near Dokdo Island. It says South Korea's Air Force acted according to protocol by giving numerous audio warnings and intercepting the Russian plane to keep it from advancing further and later on firing warning shots. The ministry said it plans to confirm this through working-level talks with Russia, which is planned to be held on Thursday. It added it cannot readily accept Russia's explanation that the, quote, intrusion was caused by a technical glitch, and that this problem is what likely caused the aircraft to intrude into areas it had not planned to go. A defense ministry official said that if the Russian plane had stayed on a normal course, it would have no reason to encroach on Korea's airspace because it would have had navigational systems such as GPS. The ministry said the Russian military official that was summoned had said Russia would immediately launch a probe and take necessary steps so that such an incident does not happen again. Earlier in the day, Senior Cheongwade Secretary for Public Communication Yoon Do-han cited a Russian military attaché, saying the Russian side had explained that Tuesday's flight was planned in advance, jointly with China, and that if it went according to its original plan, the intrusion into Korean airspace and entering KADIS would not have occurred. Seoul's defense ministry said it's considering to what extent and when it will share related information with Russia. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.